Hey Abraham, it's Joe. Wanted to show you a progress video on what we're doing, how we're doing here with your Google My Business and the activity that Google says we've had. This is a post I did 4 days ago. It doesn't have a lot, enough data to give us what's going on, but this one I did in March. I try to do one or two a month. This one had 11 views, 1 click. It's obviously just getting started. It's getting out there. And month one, month two, we're on our second month. I also wanted to show you that I got this email today. Today's the 11th. And this is the update that Google My Business or Google gives us every so often. So you're being found for coastline restoration, water damage restoration in Ventura County. We had 84 people view your business, which is this one here, your GMB, and 4 people visited the website. Again, it's not a whole lot, but it is getting up there. The SEO is a process, as I told you. It takes time, but we do work every month on the sites and on the GMB so it can rank and get up there. This is the website. Obviously it's new. It had no matrix, no numbers. We're at a 16 citation flow right now, 0 trust flow. Again, month 2, we got a couple of external backlinks, and we're working on more. I just got done doing this one for Bakersfield Plumbers, and all these are what they call backlinks. So I'm working on these kinds of things for yours, and I mean, this is just a lot of work. Obviously I charge $300 just to do this. If somebody just wants one particular service, like just this service. So what I do is I do everything included in the 150. It takes me about a year to 2 years to recover all the work that I do, the website, the creation of the GMB. You're listed here. When somebody Googles restoration water damage, you come up here on top. And again, it's just a matter of people clicking and needing the service. If you know anyone, a close friend or a customer that you've had that can give you some reviews, have them click on your GMB, which is coastline restoration, and then these keywords, obviously Ventura County water damage. Then have them go to what other reviews? Write a review. Go right there. Have them give you a 5-star, and then that you do business, and then details. That'd be great if you have anyone that has a Gmail account that can give you a review. So basically, you can Google restoration water damage, and you can go Ventura County, and then your business will pop up, and you'll get to this part. Scroll down a little bit. Here's your logo. You'll see that, and then go down to write review, and then just type away. Okay, so I just want to give you an update on what we're doing, and little by little things do move up. Hopefully you're getting a call here and there, and this thing pays for itself with one job, one big job. Okay, I am gonna add your website to quality plumbing and Camero Plumbers and Bakersfield Plumbers. So I'm gonna connect your business to those 3 sites that I also control and do SEO with. So this way, you're linked to those 3 plumbing sites. So if they have any work, they can call you. Alrighty, I hope this makes sense. If any questions, shoot me an email. Thank you.